What? Because I have a little conversation with somebody?
Constantly, and I am not.
What? If I was having a conversation with Bob or something, like, would we be having this talk?
You don't make
what?
eyes
Am I
at
sleeping
Bob.
with Bob?
You don't make eyes at Bob like you make eyes at Clarissa. Every time she.
Huh?
Why?
I'm sure he has time for one little request.
Musimi's making so much noise.
Yeah. Oh.
I agree with Hayanari. Why?
Let me guess.
I'm sure nobody has ever suggested this idea before.